Hello students, in this session we are going to discuss about ribosomes. So ribosomes are first observed by Palade, is the scientist, as a dense particles in the cytoplasm. So generally ribosomes contain two subunits. One is larger subunit and another one is smaller subunit. So eukaryotic organisms contain 8S ribosome. Eukaryotic organisms contain 8S ribosome. The subunits are larger one is 60S, smaller one is 40S. And prokaryotic organisms contain 70S ribosome. So the subunits are 50S and 30S. Here S stands for Schwarzberg's unit. S stands for Schwarzberg's unit. Sedimentation coefficient. Schwarzberg's unit shows sedimentation coefficient. So generally this ribosome is very important structure for the formation of the end proteins. So ribosome is made up of ribosomal RNA and proteins. And these ribosomes in eukaryotes are 8S ribosomes. 8S ribosomes. They are attached to endoplasmic reticulum. But the ribosomes of prokaryotes are 70S ribosome. And in eukaryotes also some cell organelles like mitochondria and chloroplast contain 70S ribosome. So this is all about the ribosomes.